Hello friend, today we are going to unbox Mi 20800 power bank and have some reviews about it. So let's begin. So while unboxing it, we'll get a power bank that is of capacity 20,800 and it's pretty well and well polished, you can see it. And we have got a cable, that is data cable, or you can use it as charging cable. Okay. And the actual capacity of the power bank is 20,800. It may vary depending on your usage. It is milliamp, shown in milliamp, and the actual input voltage to the power bank will be 5 volt 2 ampere. But actually we are not getting 5 volt 2 ampere, so we will make use of external charger, which will help us to charge it pretty fast. Okay, so here we have Samsung charger, that is a travel adapter, and the capacity of this charger is 5 volt 1 ampere, but what the need is for a power bank is 5 volt 2 ampere. So actually we can use this charger to charge it, but it will not charge it pretty fast. So I would recommend you to buy a new charger if you can. So you better buy a 5 volt 2 ampere charger. So now let's go for another features of this power bank. Okay, here we have power button which you can press to see the how much your power bank is charged. This will LEDs will display the charge it has been done. And here we have OTG port. This you can use to put your data cable to charge it through the charger. And another we have USB cable, where you can keep your USB port to charge your mobile or anything else. Okay, so here we have got Mi Note, that is from the Mi official, and this is Mi Note, and we are going to test our charging in the mobile. Okay, so we can use our charging cable in the USB port. Okay, now let's connect the mobile. Let's see how it charges. Okay, as you can see here, it's pretty well and charging nice. Okay, that's it. That's the reviews about our Mi 20800 milliamp power bank, and I hope you like it. And do leave your comments, and please subscribe to our channel if you like the videos. Thank you very much.